If you guys at home have a cutlery, nails like this, you must know the secret function of a nail cutter like this, guys. Why didn't we know before? This or secret. Apparently this nail cutting tool, it's not only used make cutting nails like this, guys. And of course, you must know this secret. Just straight up, like whether the secret. Let's take a look together in this one video. Hello creative buddy. Just go ahead first of all here later. There are some creative ideas, my friends. Yes, you must know. Just let go to the first creative ide. Okay guys, just go ahead first of all we do, which is taking off in part of the seesaw from the nail cutter, yeah. So here we have to take them off, like this for the first creative ide. Well, so for how to take them off. Also very easy and very easy. Well, if it turns out, of these nail cutting tools we can use to strip the wires like this. So for the way it's really easy, yeah. So we set up a cable. Then we just write it down like this. We just pull it like this. Automatically the cable part will peel off, friends. So that is what it was like for the first creative ide. Into a cable peeler. Very practical and very, very easy. Practical, economical. Wow, Gellis, really? Okay, like that, yeah. Let's go to creative ide. The second, guys. In this second creative ide, guys, just straight up, we prepare one more nail cutting tool, friends. Well, so that in the eye, this second creative we will utilize part of the middle of it, yeah. Or called like this. Or tiger nails, yeah guys, yeah. So the function for that secret we can use to open a package like this. If you are missing a knife at home, or even a cutter, the guys, don't panic and don't cry. With this nail cutting tool, we can open the package very easily. And of course, very, very easy like this, guys. Wow. So it immediately opens up and it's definitely very practical. Economical wall amused ones. Apparently, of this nail cutting tool we can take advantage of to open the package very, very easily. And of course, very, very easy, my friends. So for the second creative ide, its function like this. Let's go to the third creative ide of the nail cutting tools, friends. Okay, creative friend, continue to the third creative ide of nail cutting tools. In this third creative ide, we will be utilizing part of the middle again, guys. Well, its function for what? Just go ahead, guys. Can listen. Video, guys, yeah. So for the third function, we shape like this, yeah. For our nail cutters that have at home, guys, we form stirring like this. And their function as a placemat. Make there a mosquito place like this, yeah. Or mosquito repellent like this, guys, yeah. So by sticking it in the middle section like this, your mosquito repellent will burn. Very, very true and certainly very, very practical. So if you use this tool, the burning became systematic and definitely really very powerful, my friends. So after we just have to light it up like this, guys. Very, very practical for the secret ide of the nail cutting tool. Well, so if you guys have a small mosquito repellent already quilled, when untune hippopotamus like this, you guys, yeah, don't throw away, friends. Well, with tools to cut these nails, guys, we can tuck it in the middle of it like this, guys. Then we can light it up until it runs out to the roots, friends. So this is very practical, guys. It's too much. So for the third creative ide, into a placemat, make our mosquito repellent, friends. Let's go to the next creative ide. In this fourth creative ide, still very, very useful for nail cutting tools. Well, so what we use, which is the middle of it, yes, or the tiger nail part of it. Apparently, friends, capitalized from the nail cutting tool earlier, we can use as the eyes emergency screwdriver. Like this, guys. Well, so if you guys are in the woods or in the forest behind friend's house, yeah. So if you don't have a screwdriver, you can use for this nail cutter. Become an emergency screwdriver that definitely very practical and steady. The guys. Okay, like that, guys. Let's move on to the secret creative eye. Next up, guys, let's go. Okay, continue the secret creative eye. The fifth from the nail cutter, guys. So for this fifth creative eye, guys, we will be utilizing in the section of the stock, yes, or the pry like this, guys. Well, so we can use to open a can like this, yeah. Can make a paint can like this. Can of sardines or the cans, drink bottles, other food, guys. Guaranteed to port or open the can. Becomes easier, practical, economical, cordless bang it, and of course, very, very, very useful, my friends. Well, so for the secret creative eye, we can use it as a can opener like this. Very steady, yes. Okay, so steady. Well, if you have, just go straight. We move on to the secret creative eye of the nail cutter. The next one, guys, let's go. In this sixth secret creative eye, we will use it. Naturally, my friends. Well, when are you to use as a nail cutting tool like this, guys? Well, so you guys usually clip the nails like this. Usually it's part. The cut is a little rough. Yeah, guys, yeah. Or not even at all. Like this. Well, so are we. If you cut your nails like normal like this, the rest of the pieces or the cut was not even at all. Well, it turns out function. This sixth one, guys, function to smooth the rest of the pieces, yeah, or the cut-off container that was rough at the beginning. The guys, the way we think about it, within part from the middle of it, like this, guaranteed your nails will be smoother. Smoother, more glowing, more special, moreover. Anyway, that's you guys, yeah. So it's guaranteed, more steady ones. Well, that's some secretive creative eye of nail cutters that you must know. Well, if you guys like this video, don't forget to click the like button down below and hit his subscribe button. And do not forget to ring the notification bell so that all of you do not miss the latest videos to update. The other one from this channel, guys, may be useful.